When you think of lawn bowls, you might picture white uniforms and fierce competition, but that's only part of the story. Right across WA, lawn bowling clubs are becoming some of the best places to catch up with mates. And today, I'm here at the Bayswater Bowling and Recreation Club to find out what it's all about and maybe play a game or two. Lawn bowls have been bringing West Aussies together for generations, and clubs like Bayswater are proving it's about so much more than just a round on the green. Whether you're chasing a pennant, celebrating a birthday, enjoying barefoot bowls with friends, or simply stopping in for a casual dinner and drink, there's a place for everyone. Many clubs right across Perth have reinvented themselves as true community hubs, hosting everything from meat raffles and quiz nights to live music, themed dinners, and chef pop-up events that bring locals together long after the bowls have stopped rolling. Look, I've never claimed to be a professional bowler, but if I do know one thing is that it looks easy until you go to give it a crack. It seems I might need a little bit more practice or perhaps a drink for all of my hard work. Ace is the manager here, and he is a true lover of bowls clubs. What do you think it is about lawn bowling communities that make it so welcoming for everyone?
Bowls is a great sport for all ages. We've built this club on being a family-oriented club.
Now, Ace, what would you say to someone who's never stepped foot inside of a bowls club before?
Get your feet walking down here if you're in the local area, or find your local bowling club and just visit. And the people that are here love it.
What about Bayswater Bowling and Recreation Club makes it so unique to others?
We are a gem in the heart of a very close suburb to the city, and the food trucks particularly, they ring up and say, "What food truck's on?" And they go, "Oh, I'm coming down tonight." Many parents have said, "Oh, do you want to have takeaway?" "No, let's go to the bolo." And that's why I love when kids say, "Let's go to the bolo." So we look after all demographics. The older crew who love coming down to bowl, the younger crew who loves seeing their friends, and we've built that.
Just bring your mates, enjoy some friendly competition, and you'll quickly discover why these clubs have remained at the heart of Perth communities for so many years.
To me, the bowling club is a community hub. It's also a multi-sports venue. The club's important because there's a sense of community, and for a lot of people, a lot of older people, it's a chance to make new friends and socialise. It's a very good game for young people to adopt and go far.
From Bayswater through to North Perth, Mosman Park and South Fremantle, there are welcoming greens all across the city that are offering more than just a game of social bowls. Whether you're chasing bragging rights amongst your friend group, looking for a simple way to wind down after a busy week of work, or simply looking to connect with community, your local club ticks all of the above. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got a game to get back to.